we have a lot of companies doing food machines. And for that machines, you need components. And the components need to be good, cheap, strong, and of course certified for the food. And within the 3D printing business, we have developed our own blue powder. So we can make food approved, food grade approved parts with 3D printing. So DTI has developed the powder, and we are using the AMT machines for the surface treatment. If we look into the SLS production, we have done this for many, many years, but there has always been a problem with the surface. The surface of the SLS part is very rough, so we tend to do a lot of deburring. But deburring is not good enough. So some years ago, when we looked into the AMT technology, we found out that you actually could achieve the surface smoothness that the food industry acquired. When the part has been through the AMT surface smoothing, the parts in the machine are very easy to clean. Actually, it's like the surface is closed. So when you have a typical SLS, the surface is open. It's very open for bacteria growth and everything. But when it's been through the AMT process, you have a closed surface. It's water resistant and so forth also with the bacteria. So it's very easy to clean. It would be impossible to make an SLS component without surface treatment and use it in a food grade machine.